Hi, Ron from Clarity. Today we're going to look at the mega menu with Lowe's. But before we look at their mega menu, we have to understand a little bit about mega menus. So we're going to look at one of their competitors, Home Depot, and then we're going to compare the differences. So here's Home Depot's menu. They've got their navigation down the left side, and what a mega menu is instead of having just a traditional fallout with a single tier and then flyouts with additional tiers, they have categorization. So here you can see the different categories they have, and then underneath each category they might have additional options. And when you go to one of these categories, let's say refrigerators for example, once they get to that page, then they go to this graphical representation where it's pretty easy now to see side by side or top or whatever the different types of refrigerators. But the problem with this is then all of a sudden, how do we get back? The navigation's now gone and it's all completely changed. It's not completely intuitive, but if you know to come over a mouse over here, you know you can get the menu back. But it's not necessarily intuitive. Now let's take a look at Lowe's. Now what Lowe's does is instead of having the navigation up top and then go to the graphical element, they've added the graphical element into the navigation. So now when we mouse over departments, you can see where you can go to appliances, and very quickly you can see how easy it is to understand when you say electrical, what are we talking about? Well, it's really easy to jump right into the exact category that you want because you've got a picture of it. And they've used a number of different styles. So what they've done is they've kind of removed this navigation tier and brought the categories right up into the menu. Same thing with inspiration. You go to inspiration and here's kitchen ideas, and right there immediately you can see what they're talking about: bathroom, bedroom. So in this particular case, instead of having categories, it's just one thing. Projects. So now with projects, you can see they've got a graphical element with projects. Now another thing that they've done that's unique, you go to savings and you start looking through these, they actually start adding in pricing and deals. You can see on the right hand side there, 5% off special financing every day. You can see the carpet deals right there, 15% off cabinet hinges. So you can see that even with savings, they're actually doing now selling and showing coupons and discounts and things. So this is a really good, and although this may not be a Clarity customer, these guys have done a really good job, and these are some of the menu types that Clarity's built for their customers. Thanks for watching.